Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna sisig using San Marino tuna, an easy method for a delicious meal. First, ensure you have 1 can of San Marino tuna flakes, drained well to remove excess oil. Next, finely chop 1 small red onion and slice 2 green chilies for a touch of heat. Finally, measure out 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, which will form the base of our flavorful sauce. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the drained San Marino tuna flakes with your finely chopped red onion and sliced green chilies. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of savory soy sauce. Gently mix everything together until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and the tuna is evenly coated with the sauce. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to cook. Heat a pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add your tuna sisig mixture to the pan. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's heated through and slightly caramelized. Serve your delicious tuna sisig immediately, perhaps with a fresh squeeze of calamansi for extra zest, and enjoy. To finish your tuna sisig, garnish it with a sprinkle of freshly chopped spring onions for a burst of color and flavor. This dish is best served hot, either as a main course with steamed rice or as a delicious appetizer for your next gathering. It's a quick and satisfying meal that's sure to impress. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade tuna sisig.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.